Pating Reviews presents Dell Optiplex 7010 Business Desktop Computer. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Powerful computer at a great price. Bought 3 for our businesses for roughly under the cost of one new comparable machine. Positive. They are all started fine, run fast, and so far are working perfectly. They have lots of USBs on the front and back, and as the specs show, 16GB of RAM and 2TB hard drive. Big upgrade from the computers we're replacing. Thrilled with all of that. The negative, the keyboard and mouse that came with them were flimsy, but those are easy to replace if you don't have a quality keyboard and mouse on hand. Also, the specs say these computers came loaded with Windows 7 Pro, but actually came loaded with Windows 10 Pro. They're downgradable to Windows 7 Pro, but we chose to use them with Windows 10 Pro. No problem activating with the new Windows key stickers on the cases. Only extra software on it was the LibreOffice, which is free open source version of MS Office, which works fine. So far, we're extremely pleased with these computers. Here's a bit more information about these business computers. Brand Dell, CPU model Core i5, RAM 16GB. The Dell 7010 Intel i5 quad core 3.2 GHz processor. What's inside is a 16GB of RAM, 2TB hard drive, a DVDRW optical drive, operating system Windows 10 Professional, includes USB keyboard and mouse. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.